Hi, I'm Andrew Bodle from Hygieia Group. Today I'd like to talk to you about the thing most people hate to clean. Can you guess what it is? We recently did a survey and it confirmed our suspicions that most people are put off by cleaning glass and mirrors, as they really struggle to get the smears out and do a fantastic job. That's why I'm here to help. I've worked for over 30 years in the cleaning industry, so with that experience I'm going to show you how to clean mirrors and glass to the best possible way you can. So here I am in my own kitchen, and we all come up against things like this on a day-to-day basis. We've got a kitchen unit there, shiny surface there, glass there, ideal for kids' fingerprints, certainly in my kitchen it is. And I'm going to show you how to clean it using SAO from the iClean Mini to get rid of the marks and get the greatest effect that you possibly can without using any chemical. So using a good quality microfiber cloth, this one's actually a glass cleaning microfiber cloth, I'll simply put the solution of SAO on there using the iClean Mini, and then I just wipe away. So I'm wiping away the excess SAO, wiping away any finger marks on there. And there you are. Cleaning using the iClean Mini, using no chemicals whatsoever, and really looking after ourselves and the environment. Thanks for watching Hygieia Group. If you enjoyed this video, why not hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll find lots and lots of more useful cleaning tips, tricks and info. See you next time.